Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today we will be drawing a padlock. I tried to draw one earlier, as you see at the top, and it didn't work out so well, so I'm just going to draw another one. This time I'm going to draw a box first. So let's get started, and if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can always request something for me to draw or connect with me through my other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you to let me know what you want to see next, and if you want me to do something differently as well, let me know in the comments below. So then let's get started. So as I said, I'm going to draw a box first so that the symmetry is there. This is going to be a 3D look. It's tilted to the side a little bit, so I'm just going to draw the box and then go from there. So then I'll leave you to it and I'll show you how it all looks at the end of this video. there you go. I'm just adding in the final touches, and this is the final look. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy stickers, buy books and backpacks, all sorts of things, even clothing and bedding material, all sorts of things. So check it out, and I put some next videos for you to check out next, including a playlist. So don't forget to check those out as well, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, and you can always request something for me to draw or to do by commenting below. And I hope you have a really good day today, and I will see you next time. Bye.